Did you know that cardamom, a humble kitchen spice, has been cherished for thousands of years not just for its flavor but for its incredible health benefits? What if this tiny pod held the power to transform your digestion, detoxify your body, and even boost your mental clarity? Sounds intriguing, right?
Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cardamom. It's not just an ingredient for chai tea or curry, it's a powerhouse of wellness. By the end of this video, you'll discover how this ancient gem can improve your life in ways you never imagined. But here's the challenge. How many ways can you think of to use cardamom? Leave your thoughts in the comments as we explore this amazing spice.
Before we jump into its benefits, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich history of cardamom. This spice has been a global treasure for centuries. The ancient Egyptians used it not only as a spice but also as a natural breath freshener, often chewing on cardamom pods to keep their teeth clean. Meanwhile, in India, cardamom has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, celebrated for its ability to balance the body and mind.
Fast forward to today, and cardamom remains an essential ingredient in cuisines from Scandinavia to the Middle East. Whether it's the aromatic spice in Swedish kardemommabullar, cardamom buns, or the key ingredient in Arabic coffee, cardamom's global appeal speaks to its unmatched versatility and benefits.
Here's a question for you. Have you come across any unique uses of cardamom in your culture or travels? Let us know in the comments. It's fascinating to learn how different traditions embrace this incredible spice.
Now that we understand its cultural significance, let's unlock the secrets of why cardamom is so much more than just a flavor enhancer. We'll explore its top 5 health benefits. And trust me, you'll want to start incorporating it into your life by the end of this video.
1. Great digestive support. Let's start with one of the most celebrated benefits of cardamom, its remarkable ability to improve digestion. Have you ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after a big meal? Imagine if a small pinch of this spice could help you feel light and at ease.
Here's how it works. Cardamom contains natural compounds that stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, making your body more efficient at breaking down food. It doesn't just help with bloating, it can also ease symptoms like nausea, constipation, and even acid reflux. No wonder it's been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries.
But there's more. Cardamom's anti-inflammatory properties soothe the stomach lining, creating a healthier gut environment. Plus, its essential oils offer a bonus, freshening your breath naturally, which is perfect after a hearty meal.
How to use cardamom for better digestion. Add to tea or coffee. A pinch of ground cardamom in your morning beverage can work wonders for your digestive system and give your drink an aromatic twist. Chew cardamom pods. After meals, pop a pod into your mouth. Not only will it aid digestion, but it'll also leave your breath feeling fresh. Combine with ginger. Create a soothing tea by blending cardamom and ginger, 2 digestive powerhouses that work beautifully together. This combination is especially helpful if you're feeling queasy or heavy after a meal. Interactive question for the audience. What's your go-to remedy for digestive discomfort? Share your tips below. Maybe cardamom will soon top your list.
Now that we've tackled digestion, let's move on to another incredible benefit of cardamom, its ability to detoxify your body from the inside out.
2. Effective natural detoxification. Detoxification is a buzzword these days. But what if I told you that a simple natural spice like cardamom could be your best detox companion? With toxins lurking in processed foods, pollution, and even stress, our bodies work overtime to stay healthy. Cardamom offers a gentle, effective way to support this process.
Here's how it works. Cardamom acts as a natural diuretic, encouraging your kidneys to flush out excess toxins through increased urine production. This makes it a fantastic ally for maintaining healthy kidney function and reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. But it doesn't stop there. Cardamom is also rich in antioxidants, compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants not only protect your cells but also enhance liver function, helping your body detoxify more efficiently. Think of it as a gentle internal cleanse, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized.
How to incorporate cardamom for detox benefits. Detox water. Crush a few cardamom pods and combine them with slices of lemon and fresh mint leaves in a jug of water. Let it infuse overnight, and you'll have a refreshing detox drink ready by morning. Smoothies. Add a dash of ground cardamom to your favorite green smoothie for an extra detoxifying boost. It pairs beautifully with ingredients like spinach, banana, and almond milk. Oatmeal or porridge. Sprinkle cardamom on your breakfast bowl. It's an easy, flavorful way to start your day with antioxidants. Comparison with other detox foods. Unlike green tea or dandelion root, which are known for detoxification, cardamom offers a unique combination of diuretic and antioxidant properties. It's also incredibly versatile. You can use it in sweet and savory dishes alike.
Why not try making cardamom detox water this week? Share your favorite detox recipes or let us know how cardamom worked for you in the comments below.
Feeling refreshed already? Let's keep the momentum going as we dive into another amazing benefit of cardamom: how it helps maintain your oral health naturally.
3. Natural dental care. When it comes to oral health, most of us think of toothpaste and mouthwash. But did you know that cardamom has been used as a natural remedy for oral hygiene for centuries? Its antibacterial properties can target the root cause of common issues like bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Here's how it works. Cardamom's essential oils combat the bacteria responsible for bad breath and other oral problems, leaving your mouth feeling fresher and healthier. Plus, it stimulates saliva production, which is vital for maintaining oral hygiene. Saliva not only washes away food particles but also neutralizes harmful acids that can lead to tooth decay.
And let's not forget, chewing on cardamom pods has been a trusted practice in many cultures, acting as a quick and portable solution for fresher breath.
How to use cardamom for oral health. Chew on cardamom pods. Simply chew a pod after meals. It's a natural breath freshener that also helps reduce bacteria in your mouth. DIY cardamom mouthwash. Brew a strong cup of cardamom tea, let it cool, and use it as a mouth rinse. For an extra antibacterial boost, add a few cloves to the brew. Cardamom and clove blend. Use cardamom and clove tea as a soothing rinse to combat oral infections and keep your gums healthy. Why cardamom over conventional breath fresheners? Unlike commercial mints that mask odors temporarily, cardamom tackles the underlying cause of bad breath, bacteria. It's also free from artificial additives and offers additional health benefits.
Have you ever tried a natural remedy like cardamom for oral hygiene? Share your experience below. If not, why not challenge yourself to replace your usual gum or mints with cardamom pods for a week and let us know the results.
With your oral health in check, let's explore how cardamom can work wonders for your mental well-being, especially in combating stress and boosting relaxation.
4. Supports mental health and reduces stress. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? What if I told you that the soothing aroma of cardamom could be the key to calming your mind and lifting your spirits? This humble spice not only benefits your body, but also works wonders for your mental well-being. Cardamom contains natural compounds with antidepressant properties. Its aroma has a unique ability to trigger the release of serotonin and dopamine, your brain's feel-good neurotransmitters. Just inhaling the scent of cardamom essential oil can create an immediate sense of calm and relaxation.
And it's not just about the aroma. Consuming cardamom may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, thanks to its rich antioxidants. This could potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and improve memory and cognitive function.
How to use cardamom for mental well-being. Aromatherapy. Add a few drops of cardamom essential oil to a diffuser or a bowl of hot water. Breathe deeply to feel an instant wave of relaxation. Evening tea ritual. Brew a warm cup of cardamom tea in the evening. Add a touch of honey and enjoy it as a calming bedtime routine. Soothing massage oil. Mix cardamom essential oil with a carrier oil like almond or coconut oil. Massage it onto your temples or wrists for a relaxing, stress-relieving experience. Comparison with other natural remedies. While lavender and chamomile are popular for stress relief, cardamom offers the added benefit of cognitive support. It's like having a spice that soothes your mind while sharpening your focus.
When was the last time you truly took a moment to de-stress? try one of these cardamom remedies this week and share how it made you feel. Did it help you find your calm or even improve your focus?
Feeling more relaxed? Let's move on to another incredible benefit: how cardamom can support your respiratory health and help you breathe easier.
5. Supports respiratory health and improves breathing. If you've ever struggled with respiratory issues like a stubborn cough, asthma, or even seasonal congestion, cardamom might just become your new best friend. This versatile spice is a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus from your airways and making it easier to breathe. Cardamom's anti-inflammatory properties work to reduce swelling in the respiratory tract, alleviating symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. And thanks to its antimicrobial effects, it helps combat the bacteria and viruses that often cause respiratory infections. It's like having a natural defense system against colds and flu.
How to use cardamom for respiratory health. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops of cardamom essential oil to a bowl of steaming water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply to relieve congestion and open up your airways. Cardamom milk. Before bed, warm a glass of milk and infuse it with ground cardamom. This soothing drink not only helps you breathe easier, but also promotes restful sleep. Honey cardamom tonic. Mix ground cardamom with honey and lemon juice for a powerful respiratory tonic. Take a teaspoon of this blend a few times a day to soothe your throat and clear your airways. Comparison with common remedies. While eucalyptus is often used for respiratory relief, cardamom offers a gentler option that also supports overall health. Its sweet, slightly spicy flavor makes it easy to incorporate into everyday routines.
Have you tried any natural remedies for respiratory health? Share your experiences in the comments below. If not, why not start with a simple cardamom steam inhalation tonight and see how it helps you breathe better?
Now that you know the incredible ways cardamom can benefit your health, let's explore how to seamlessly incorporate it into your daily life, from your meals to your self-care routines.
Now that you've discovered the incredible health benefits of cardamom, the question is, how do you incorporate this powerhouse spice into your daily routine? Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and it can transform your meals, beverages, and even self-care practices.
Here are some creative and practical ways to embrace cardamom. Cardamom tea. Crush a few cardamom pods and steep them in hot water for a few minutes. Add honey or a slice of lemon for a refreshing drink that soothes the soul and boosts digestion. Smoothies with a twist. Sprinkle a pinch of ground cardamom into your favorite fruit smoothie. It pairs wonderfully with tropical flavors like mango, pineapple, and coconut. Baking adventures. Add ground cardamom to cookie dough, cake batter, or bread recipes for an aromatic, slightly spicy touch that elevates your desserts.
Savory dishes. Use whole or ground cardamom in curries, rice dishes, or marinades for a complex, rich flavor. It's especially popular in Middle Eastern and Indian cuisines. Chewable breath freshener. Chew on a cardamom pod after meals for an instant boost in freshness and digestion. It's a natural alternative to gum or mints. Infused water. Drop a few crushed cardamom pods into your water bottle and let it infuse overnight. The result? A subtly spiced, hydrating drink that's as healthy as it is delicious. Culinary creativity. Why not experiment with cardamom in unexpected ways? Try cardamom-infused ice cream, soups, or even cocktails. Let your imagination run wild, and you'll find that cardamom adds a unique touch to almost anything.
Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Or do you have your own favorite way to use cardamom? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments below. Your ideas might inspire someone else.
Cardamom isn't just a spice, it's a gift from nature with the power to transform your health and elevate your culinary creations. From supporting digestion to calming your mind, detoxifying your body, and enhancing your respiratory health, this little pod is truly a wellness wonder.
Now it's your turn. Add cardamom to your grocery list, experiment with it in your kitchen, and take a step toward better health, one pod at a time. Don't forget to let us know your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your journey.
If you found this video helpful, show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips and tricks for living a healthier, happier life. And don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from the magic of cardamom.
Together, let's spread the love for natural remedies and inspire healthier lifestyles worldwide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.